Hi guys, Office Bloke Dave here. I hope you're all doing great out there today. I am going to react to a bit of Ice 9 Kills. Now, I've reacted to Ice 9 Kills Assault and Batteries, and only about a month ago, maybe 5 weeks ago, and it caught me off guard. It was creepy, heavy, just sort of all over the place. I didn't really fully expect what I got, if that makes sense. And someone's been kind enough to make a donation, a super thanks. It's Damage Inc. USMC, and requested that I do a couple more Ice 9 Kills songs. So absolutely, of course I will. I remember enjoying them, so I'm here for that. So the first of the songs that was requested is Rainy Day. Now, again, I don't know what to expect. I have just seen that they're playing Manchester this Sunday, but I've got the kids this weekend, so I'm not going to be able to get down there. Although last weekend I got to see Cannibal Corpse, Dark Funeral, Storm Ruler, and Ingested, which, you know, I've not been to a metal gig for absolutely ages, and I've kind of got the taste for it again. So there's going to be some metal gigs coming up. I'm going to make videos out of it as well, so keep your eye out for that. But anyway, I'm talking too much. Make sure you like and subscribe, all that good stuff if you do like it. Merch, Patreon page, all that sort of good stuff in the comment section. This is Ice 9 Kills, Rainy Day. Let's do it.
Run. Crawl through the holes in the evidence where evil is taking up residence. No faith in what red and white will say. They'll save the truth for a rainy day. Fall through the cracks with the casualties. Freedom's thrown out with morality. Become a soldier for the controller. Are you listening to the whispering? Is it sinking in 'cause it's sickening? Will you take the bait? Will you suffocate? 'Cause you know something is creeping in the dark. Run.
Right. I was going to say it's only short, 3 minutes 55, so it's not that short. But I've got to find places to pause it somewhere. That run and then straight into the sort of breakdowny bit. I love that. I think that's awesome. I'm an absolute sucker for zombie movies as well, and zombie content. Literally, when we drink too much, me and my brother and my dad, sometimes on a Sunday, we sit around discussing what you do when the zombies come. And that's kind of our analogy for the world collapsing, is when the zombies come. So we sit and just debate this sort of thing all the time. If you were in an office, which I spend my 9-5 in an office every single day, what do you grab when the zombies come? I mean, Scissor's got the job done there, but 2 more zombies have come up. You're not gonna scissor 2 of them unless it turns into some other sort of bizarre thing we weren't expecting.
Run.
Right.
A call to survivors has just come through. Resist the zombies and make a few. Call out the lies, blow the storm away. Don't save the truth for a rainy day. Are you listening to the whispering?
Headshots, you gotta go for headshots.
Will you suffocate? 'Cause you know something is creeping in the dark. In the dark. There is no next level. All access denied. You die.
Nice. Bit. Oh, yes.
Run.
That video was great.
Oh, Christ. 18 hours until he's back on the street, and all we got's another fucking videotape?
The fiancée dies in this tape too, doesn't she?
Oh, interesting. What's the link in the description? Continue the story. Rainy Day Part 2, right. That wasn't the other request, but I'm going to do it. So I'll get round to the other request soon, which is funeral derangements. That will happen, but I can't just end on a oh shit. I can't just end on a part 1 and not a part 2. So stay with me. I'll try and release the next one next, if you know what I mean. So when this video ends, hopefully on the hour, whenever it is next, part 2 will be released. That was awesome though. Double tap, headshots, double tap. Just watch Zombieland, you'll get it. You'll get it. Anyway, hope you enjoyed that one, guys. Cheers for the request again. I'm going to go for part 2, and then we will see where I go from there. So nice one.